Hey guys, Sydney here. So today I have this Pokemon Nintendo 3DS case. So let's just get it open. My camera's going wacky again, not letting me go open it off camera. So you get to see the opening magic right here. I'm just ripping the box. And of course, trusty scissors if needed. You never know when you're going to need scissors. Sorry if this is loud. Okay. So this comes with a lot of stuff. Alright. Oh, it's tape. Good thing I got the scissors. Okay. Come on. Cut it. There we go. So it comes with two little game holders, and these are just little cardboard things. They're not real games. So, let's see. I've got to get this other one out of here. Here's the blue one. Comes with a red and a blue, and I have Pokemon Moon right here. So I'll get this little thing out of here and see how well it fits. Perfect. Alright, now let's look at the actual case thing. So here's the case. It has whatever this Pokemon's called on it, I forgot. So it's pretty spacey in here. So these are just screen covers that you can put on your Nintendo 3DS. Actually, this is for the Nintendo 3DS XL, but it might still work for the regular, just to hold your stuff. So it also has like, how many? 1, 2, okay. It has about 8 little pockets in here that can hold your games. Let's see if these can fit in here. Nope. Oh well. Okay, so, and then this is where you can strap your 3DS in. Got mine right here. Let's see. There we go. Okay, now where did it go? Oh, there it is. It also comes with this little stylus you can use to Pokeball. And I'm guessing you can just like, hold on. Stick that right there with all your games and stuff. Because there's like no really any space. Oh, and this is like flapped. Like DS game or DS thing games and stylus. And then that's just the cover. Oh, sorry guys, my camera fell over. Ah, stay camera, there we go. Okay, we got the camera to stay. Okay. So, it's pretty cool. Yeah. And, yeah, so, oh, by the way, if you want this is available at Walmart. Don't know about anywhere else, but I know it's available at Walmart. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video.